Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning in Economics. Today I discuss about the national income and related aggregates and some concepts of national income and gross domestic product at market price and nominal and real GDP and gross national product, and there are the some problems of national income and GDP deflator, final goods and intermediate goods, and why intermediate goods is excluded from the gross national product. Today I discuss about these topics and gross national product at market price. Market price. Okay guys, do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's start. What do you mean by the term national income? National income, in simple words, we can say that the sum of values of all final goods and services produced. Okay. And then the second part arises gross domestic product at market price, GDPMP. Gross domestic product or GDPMP is defined as the total market value of all final goods and services produced in a year in the domestic territory of a country. In gross domestic product, only goods and services produced or serviced in the domestic territory, not the national territory. What do you mean by the term nominal and real GDP? Nominal GDP means nominal GDP is a current price or estimation of GDP at current price is called nominal GDP, and real GDP means when estimated at constant price it's called real GDP. And there are the some short notes of nominal and real GDP, and there are the some short note of gross domestic product at market price. There are the some basic notes you can write down. GDP deflator. GDP deflator is the ratio between GDP at current price and GDP at constant price. And this is the formula. GDP deflator is GDP current price divided by GDP at constant price into 100. What do you mean by the term final goods and intermediate goods? Final goods are those goods which are purpose for final use and not for resale or further processing. It's only used for a final use, like not used for a production purpose, it's used for a final services or final goods only use, not for a raw material use. Intermediate goods, on the other hand, are those goods which are purchased for further processing or for resale. Intermediate goods only used for as a resale, and final goods are not used for a resale or for further processing. And next important question is intermediate goods is excluded from gross national product. In simple word, gross national product means aggregate market value of all final goods and services produced by a normal resident of a country during a year. Then it's called a gross national product. And calculate the gross national product is GNPMP equal to GNP plus net factor income from abroad. And then the answer is why intermediate goods is excluded from gross national product, because the value of final goods included the value of all intermediate goods used in their production. The inclusion of intermediate goods would involve double counting and will therefore give an aggregate estimation of gross national product. Gross national product at market price. What do you mean by the term gross national product at market price? Gross national product at market price is defined as the aggregate market value. In aggregate market value of all final goods and services produced by a normal resident of a country during a year, and it's also include in national product, it is also include normal resident and non-resident of a country within the domestic territory of a country. And gross domestic product also includes the normal resident of a country and does not include the non-resident of a country in a gross domestic product. In a gross national product, it include as a normal resident and non-resident of a domestic territory or within a country. And there are the some difference between gross national product and gross domestic product. What are the difference between gross national product and gross domestic product? Gross domestic product does not include net factor income from abroad. Gross domestic product also includes the resident of a country. It doesn't include non-resident of a country. And gross national product also includes net factor income from abroad. And there are the some formula. GNPMP means gross national product at market price equal to GDPMP plus net factor income from abroad, and GDPMP is gross domestic product at market price. Net export equal to total export minus import. How we calculate gross national product? There are the some following components in the gross national product. GDP MP equal to C plus I plus G plus NX. C means consumption, I means investment, G means government, and X means net export. GDP and economic welfare. And there are the some difficulties measurement of national income. Distribution of GDP. You people can screenshot this some basic notes. And distribution of GDP. Distribution of GDP means when the GDP of a country increases, the welfare of the people may not rise. If rise in GDP is concentrated in the hands of very few individuals or firms. Second point is treatment of non-monetary transaction. Non-monetary transaction means don't receive the money. For example, mother's love and housewife services. The first problem related to the treatment of non-monetary transactions such as the services of housewives to the member of their families. You can say that the last difficulties is treatment of government activities in national income accounts. Okay guys, do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.